Taking care of your split AC unit doesn't have to be a chore. A little maintenance goes a long way. Regular cleaning can save you money on your energy bills. A clean AC also means cleaner air for you and your family to breathe. Let's get started on these easy steps. Remember, a well-maintained AC unit is a happy one. It will run more efficiently and last longer. Plus, you'll be breathing easier knowing you're taking care of your home and your health. Before you begin any cleaning, safety is key. Always turn off the power to your AC unit. You can do this at the thermostat or the circuit breaker. This is crucial to prevent electrical shock. Wear protective gloves and a mask to avoid contact with dust and dirt. Gather your cleaning supplies before you start. You will need a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment, a soft bristled brush, a spray bottle, mild dish soap, warm water, coil cleaner foam if needed, and a garden hose for the outdoor unit. Having everything ready makes the cleaning process smoother. You won't have to stop midway to search for a missing tool. Locate your indoor unit's air filter. It's usually behind a door or panel. Carefully remove the filter. If it's just dusty, vacuum it gently using the brush attachment. For heavier dirt, wash the filter with mild dish soap and warm water. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry completely before putting it back. A clean filter improves airflow and efficiency. Section 5, Coils and Cleaners, a refreshing deep clean. Behind the filter you'll find the indoor coil. Use the soft bristled brush to gently remove dust and debris. For stubborn dirt, apply coil cleaner foam according to the manufacturer's instructions. Let the foam sit for the recommended time, then wipe it away with a damp cloth. Clean coils improve heat transfer, leading to better cooling. Section 6, Blower Fan. Basics. Keeping the air flowing. The blower fan is usually located near the coil. Use the brush attachment on your vacuum cleaner to remove dust and dirt from the fan blades carefully. Avoid bending the blades, as this can affect fan performance. A clean blower fan ensures proper airflow and efficient cooling. Section 7. Drain dilemmas preventing water woes. Find the drain line, usually a PVC pipe, near the indoor unit. Carefully disconnect it and check for clogs. Use a wire coat hanger to dislodge any blockages. Flush the drain line with a solution of water and bleach to prevent algae growth. A clear drain line prevents water leaks and damage. Section 8, Outdoor Unit. Braving the elements for cleanliness. Now head outside to the outdoor unit. Use a garden hose to spray away loose debris from the fins. Avoid using high pressure as it can damage the fins. Straighten any bent fins using a fin comb. Clean the area around the unit to ensure proper airflow. Section 9. The final touch reassembly and performance check. Once you're done cleaning, reassemble all parts carefully. Ensure the filter and panels are securely in place. Restore power to your AC unit. Turn on the AC and check for normal operation. Listen for any unusual noises and feel for cool air coming from the vents. Congratulations, you did it.